Rob and I are almost to the campsite for our annual trip to the Silver Lake Sand Dunes, and it's going to be awesome. We were talking this morning. I think that this is our 4th year coming here, our 5th year camping. I think, right?
I think so, yeah.
It sounds right. I was looking through pictures, and that's what it...
close enough.
Yeah, look at your pictures, and that's what it seems like. So we will show you the dunes and what we've got going on here as we go. We're here. All right, we just got here, found our campsite. We've never been in this like block of things, but this is our spot for the next 5 days. It's such a good site. Pool is right there. We're like literally walking distance to the pool. This is gonna be sweet. Where should we put our tent? Somewhere close to the water thing. Oh, this is our electric and water. I love camping. Really wanna get a camper. Our camping palace is set up. This tent is infinitely larger than our last setup. It's got 2 rooms. Got our little mat thing out. Got to get a little bit longer of a hose, but by and large, we're looking pretty good. What do you think?
Good.
You like the new setup?
Yeah.
Same. Thank you. That was my birthday, Father's Day present.
Oh, thank you.
It's our first trip on the dunes. We came here. This guy's passing us. We got the doors off. We're good to go. So hard, right? We made it to the top of Test Hill. I forgot to bring the GoPro right now, so pretty much we did it like 4 tries. First couple tries, we had too much air in the tires. We had like 18 PSI, 15 to 18 PSI, so we dropped it down to 12. Then I had it in 2nd gear, and that just simply wouldn't do. So once we had it in 1st gear the whole time, we're golden. But you having fun?
Yes.
Me too.
I like how they slow down. It's chilling it.
Oh yeah. He walked up.
I think not.
Looks sick. Our first baconing of the camping trip. This has taken years and years to figure out. Not really. I think I figured it out our first time, but being able to cook bacon while you're camping, it's clutch.
The next day.
It's our 2nd morning camping, 3rd day. Weatherman says it's not supposed to be raining, but it's raining. So we're just kind of hanging out here. Haven't really done a lot of like talking videos, but we're hoping that it clears up and we can get on the dunes and maybe fly the drone around a bit. We decided doing some swimming in the rain would be the play. But it did stop raining. Is it still warm?
Yeah.
It's been raining on and off all day. I don't really remember how the dunes are in the rain. So we're about to find out. Rob thinks we're gonna get stuck. I think they're a little bit more packed in. These folks don't know we're behind them. So we're just taking a leisurely cruise down here. The downside of having no roof and no doors is when it rains outside, it rains inside. How is he all set? He didn't hit it. He's like 4 inches too short. That's literally our exact Jeep, but black before we put the big wheels on it.
But
It didn't splash in on you.
yes.
The fella told us we could fly the drone in the pedestrian areas, just not in the main driving areas, so. It's a 2-wheel drive, baby.
Oh.
25. 28. One of the downsides of the Jeep is that you can only turn the ESP all the way off when it's in four-wheel drive. Like when it's in two-wheel drive, it'll still kick the traction control back on if you're sliding too much, so it makes doing donuts a little harder. Oof-da. This fellow over here just broke his drive shaft. That's a bummer. Did it on the first try, but the camera did move a little bit. That's all right.
Ain't no politician, son. Ain't got no election campaign that I need to run. I'm not trying to hide no scandal, I don't got no smoking gun. I said I ain't no politician, son. I ain't no businessman, son. I don't want.
While we were sitting here, like the fog or forest fire or smoke or something rolled in. It's crazy. Like, look at this. Lake Michigan's right there, but you can't even see the water. Unreal. We've never been here during fog like this, so pretty cool to see.
I love it.
We literally can barely see the bottom of the hill. I can't with my shoes.
It's so cool.
It's so cool looking. I don't remember it ever being like this, do you?
No.
Side by side, easily got it. Come on, baby. So close. Oh, so close. The white truck.
My next of kin, it is the howling of the wind. Ain't no preacher man, son. Ain't here to judge nobody, I'm just.
I don't know that we've ever seen a Honda Element out here, but there it is. That's so sick. Came to the arcade. figured out a hack on this. If you floor it and then bring your foot over, push that down, you get extra speed. It's nighttime, and I gotta show you our nighttime camp setup because it's so incredible.
And I love your double use of muchachos.
Can't see him, but Rob's over there making s'mores. We got the projector set up on the tent and our curtain light American flag right now, but it does all sorts of stuff. Ton of rain last night. Patented go-to for keeping the Jeep dry. We always come with the roof off because taking the roof off is a pain when you're not at home. The morning scooter ride here. Boom. Oh, did you see that? Yeah. It's a video. So sick.
Heck yeah, that's it.
America. Oh, that's a video. Rob and I just stopped, climbed out the passenger side, walked all the way around so we get a photo with no footprints, and it worked flawlessly. Just looks like it's just floating in the sand. Am I crazy or is that good? I mean, it's pretty good actually, right?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's rare that you come out here and there's no tracks or anything because there's always so many people. We're here so early. I recorded you. So sick. We are locked and loaded. We're actually blocked in, so we're not breaking the rules, but whole campsite cleaned up, packed into the Jeep, 1 minute over. I think we did pretty darn good.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Follow along as I watch my children grow up and leave me. That was sick. I had number 77. That's the one that you had the first day.
Yeah.